Today I'm going to be unboxing this Nobsound tone amplifier. It can either be used wirelessly or you can plug a line-in cable into it. And this one is the red one. You can get either red, black or blue. So in the box you've got a 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable. Obviously the power cable and the power brick, and this is a USB cable. This shows how to set it up in a very basic way, and gives and is obviously the instructions as well. And then that shows what does what on the front panel. And in here we've got a 3.5mm to phono cable. And here is the device itself. It's pretty small. It's smaller than I expected it to be. So I mainly want to use this to get some better sound out of my computer, because I've got some AKG reference headphones, and I'm not really getting much bass or much in the way of quality from the computer directly. So I'm hoping this will resolve that problem. So let's see how big it is. It's 8 by 9 by 5, so yeah, pretty small. And although it's small, it still feels fairly solid, which is good. So yeah, we've got the line in at the top there, and we've got the right speaker and left speaker, and the DC in there. And we've got the headphone, line in, and the USB. And here is where there's an indicator of the so there's a power indicator, power on-off indicator, and headlight lamp, which what these two are. So let's plug it in and see what happens. First I need to plug the line out cable into the back of the computer. So just bring these up to the desk from below. So now I'll plug the power cable in. Bit messy down here. Bring up the power cable. So now I'll just plug it in. So as you can see, the power indicator has come on. So now I'll try and turn it on. Let's try again. Need to hold it down for a second or so. Aux indicator has come on. So I'm just going to try and play some music and see whether anything displays. Right, so what we have to do is we press this mode button, and it goes to the line-in mode, and as you can see there is now some activity on the left and the right side. Now if I put my ear right up to this, I can actually hear it making noise, or I can hear the music even though there's no speakers or headphones plugged in, which is strange, but there you go. So I'm now going to try plugging in my headphones and see how it sounds. I'm not an expert in audio quality or anything, but I should be able to tell whether it sounds better than it did directly from the computer or not. Hopefully it will do. So that's definitely an improvement, but I'm just going to try and connect it to the computer with this USB cable and see what difference that makes, if any. The USB does override the line in, so we don't have to worry about unplugging that beforehand. That wasn't particularly easy to put in for some reason. Hopefully this is long enough. So that installed, as you saw. So let's see what appears. Yeah, it says speakers USB. I didn't really see any difference between the USB and not USB, so I've just taken that out for now. I suppose it's useful if your computer doesn't have a sound card, as when the USB is plugged in it will act like a sound card itself, and that's how that works without having to use any other kind of line in. One thing that could be an issue is if you're watching a film in the dark, say, you don't really want to be distracted by these lights. So I think the best thing to do is just to put something in the way, and that resolves that problem. So yeah, overall this is pretty good. I don't know of a way of turning up the bass without having to use an equalizer on the computer, which is not ideal really. I was hoping for a bass adjustment, but it's still definitely an improvement in sound quality over the over plugging the headphone directly into the computer. So yes, I think it's a good thing to have, and definitely worth the £40. Thank you very much for watching.